Hello and warm welcome to my YouTube channel. This is L from LYF Studio, and today we're going to talk about how we can install Photoshop for free in our systems, no matter you're a Windows user or a Mac user. So this video is about Windows users, and if you're using Mac, write down in the comments below so I'll make a video for that too. Before we start, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn that bell icon on so you don't miss my videos. I do graphic design and app learning videos here for totally free, so you can use them and learn and make your own graphic design career or even update your business. So without waste of time, let's get started. Before downloading, make sure your Windows is 32 bits or 64 bits. And download the proper version, it's very important. By pressing Windows plus E shortcut, we head to this PC. Right-click over here and choose Properties. It will show you what kind of Windows you're using. I have downloaded Photoshop 2021 from my own Telegram channel here, and you can go to my Telegram channel and download your favorite Photoshop version. I mentioned my Telegram channel's link in description. So before we start extracting this zip file, we have to turn off our Windows real-time protection off. So press Windows key on your keyboard, type security, and then click here. So head over to virus and threat protection and then turn this option off. So come over to desktop and extract this zip file. Right-click here, I use WinRAR. Choose extract here and wait for it to extract. Each application has its own extraction method. For example, if you're using WinZip or any other application, it might be different than mine. After extraction finished, open this folder and choose Install. Continue installation process and wait for Adobe Installer to finish the job. After installation complete, you can turn on your Windows real-time protection on. I should note that if you have any other antivirus, you should turn them off before starting the extraction and installation process. So now we installed Photoshop, it's completely done, you can open and work with it. And also, I have a series of free Photoshop learning. From basic to advanced, you can check my channel's playlist and start your learning today. This is L from LYF Studio. Thanks for watching.